on, you guys? Matthew here, back with another video. And today we are now eating here at the floating island located in the Makati Medical Center. Okay guys, so our food just arrived. Right over here is their Lechon Kawali. Right over here is their pork sisig. And right over here is their sinigang na sugpo. Okay guys, let's now try their food. So let's first try their Lechon Kawali. We also get rice. Wow, the Lechon Kawali is really good. Wow, the Lechon Kawali is really delicious. The meat itself is very juicy and tender, and the skin is very crispy. Okay guys, let's now try their pork sisig. Here's the pork sisig. Wow, that pork sisig tastes really good. Okay guys, let's also try their sugpo or their prawns. Here it is. Wow, that sugpo is really delicious. Okay guys, so for my dessert, I decided to get a scoop of their chocolate ice cream. Okay guys, let's now try their chocolate ice cream. Here it is. Wow, the chocolate ice cream tastes really good. And my mom decided to order their coffee jelly. Okay guys, let's now try the coffee jelly. That tastes really good as well. Okay guys, so we are now done eating and we have just made it back home. And overall, the food there at the floating island tasted really good. But their food was actually quite pricey as well. And the total price of what we ate will be right on screen right now. But anyway guys, I'm now going to end the video. That's gonna be it for this video guys. Don't forget guys to drop a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.